To Kirisun 2021 webinar. This is Caesar from Kirisun Broadband Product Department. I'm very glad to be here to share our products and solutions with you today. Hope you could enjoy the time with us. So firstly, please allow me to show some tips about this webinar. You will be muted during the webinar. We will be running a live Q&A at the end of this presentation. If you have any question during the webinar, please write your question in the chat box. The recording of the webinar will be reviewed when it is done, and you can download it from our website. Okay, now please allow me to turn off the camera in order to have a smooth network connection. Let's focus on the presentation. So today, I would like to introduce more details about the Cloud SIM to you. There will be three parts of my presentation. First part is introduction to Cloud SIM. Second part is about some difference between Cloud SIM and physical SIM card. And the last part, I will introduce a new business scheme for Cloud SIM. By means of virtualization, internet, and cloud computing technologies, a cloud SIM is a mirror image generated by inserting a SIM card from many mobile network operators worldwide into a SIM bank and then used to transmit data through a mobile network. Through cloud service, a cloud SIM provides SIM card technology and service to POC service providers, corporations, organizations, and end users. It features 5 characteristics, which are measurability, on-demand purchase, shareability, expandability, and accessibility via broadband. Here you can see a SIM bank device. Each cloud SIM card is generated by image a physical SIM card through virtualization and cloud computing technologies. Kirisun built up a cloud traffic-based traffic pool to provide localized network service through automatic network selection and switchover. Through cloud service, it provides SIM card technology and service to POC service providers, corporations, or organizations. Here it shows how a cloud SIM active on the radio, which there is an internal cloud SIM module on the radio mainboard module. For each cloud SIM module, it is with a source soft SIM card and a cloud SIM card. So what is source soft SIM card? The source soft SIM card is a usable soft SIM card that we preset on the module when each device production. It is used for connecting cloud SIM server and access the SIM bank to apply an available cloud SIM. With it, the users could make the communication without having a physical SIM card on T330, a T350. How does the cloud SIM work? When active cloud SIM, the source of SIM card will register a network and establish the connection with the cloud SIM server. Also, it will obtain the operator network information like public LAN mobile network, signal strength, etc. of current location, then send it to the cloud server. According to the information reported by the terminal, The cloud SIM server will select a suitable SIM card from the SIM bank and generate its mirror image as a soft SIM card. Then, through soft SIM card's network to apply it on the required cloud SIM device. After getting an available cloud SIM, terminal will use it to register the network and use it. Next, I will introduce some difference between cloud SIM and physical SIM card, and some benefits of Kirisun Cloud SIM. Here is a comparison list of cloud SIM and physical SIM. The one major difference is that you don't need to prepare a physical SIM card for communication network. The cloud SIM is a virtual SIM card that uses cloud service. About operator selection. Cloud SIM is support more than 130 countries and regions. It's easier to order different cloud SIM packages and achieve roaming features. For physical SIM card, it requires resource from the operator. For coverage and signal strength, cloud SIM is supported in many countries. It's easy to extend, like alter the package or binding multiple packages. For physical SIM card, it could be worldwide but limited by the single operator. About network quality, the cloud SIM will auto-detect the signal strengths of current location, then select the best signal operators. But for physical SIM card, there is only one operator's network can be used for each SIM card. The network quality cannot be guaranteed. The way to order cloud SIM packages is the same as other licenses like POC basic license, recording, patrol, etc. You need to pay for the key coin from our sales team first, then use the key coin to activate the value-added service on network management system. About cloud SIM troubleshooting. Actively, you can check the cloud SIM orders detail records and manage the cloud SIM order or packages on network management system. For terminal technical problem, you can contact with our sales or technical teams. Once the cloud SIM gets some problem on T350, it will also show an error prompt with an error code on display. You can send the error code to us so it can be quickly identified what the problem is. The last part, I will introduce the business scheme for cloud SIM. Kirisun provides one-stop POC service of cloud SIM business, from SIM card to terminal and platform, with the centralized management via Kirisun network management system. You don't need to invest extra manpower to manage the SIM card and the operation. It will reduce the operation cost. With Cloud SIM, it will give you a good user experience of network quality and communications. Also, we will provide independently pricing of Cloud SIM packages for our agent customers. This will be a new operation business for the agent customers. Advantages of Cloud SIM to agents and dealers. First, it is offline transaction. You can purchasing coins and exchange into service, which is stable, reliable, and fits current business mode. Second, reduce card purchase. No need to operate physical SIM card, including top-up and maintenance. Third, operate coins by using it to manage downstream business. Advantages of Cloud SIM to end users. First, affordable, usable upon power on. Second, communicate freely without limit of network operators, areas, time, and national boundaries. Third, optimum networks, saving time, money, and labor. The fourth, it's safe, stable, and reliable. So the above are my presentation today about some details of the new Cloud SIM. Maybe you have many questions about the Cloud SIM. So now let's move to the Q&A part. And let's have a look of the questions together now. Okay, about the first question, when you will develop a T60 with Cloud SIM? Actually, T60 is our not a new model, and it's a traditional POC model. So we will not develop the Cloud SIM on T60. Maybe we will develop some other new models, have the traditional looks like the T60, but we will not develop the T60 with the Cloud SIM. About next question. Will device support extend to devices other than T350? Oh, it's the same question. We will develop another model with the traditional appearance with the Cloud SIM, but it's still planning. Will not be so quick. Okay, about the third question. For 7 and 24 customer service, who to contact? Okay, actually we are building the 24 hours customer service, and it will support our overseas market. Sorry, our customer service will apply to our overseas market. We are building the abilities. About the fourth question, can you repeat how Cloud SIM work? Okay, let's move to the presentation in this picture. Actually, on our Cloud SIM module, it with two parts. The first part is the source of SIM card. It's preset when the production. We will preset it on the module. It's a usable soft SIM card. So when you active Cloud SIM, the source soft SIM card will connect the operator's network to access our Cloud SIM service. Then apply a usable Cloud SIM card to your device. It will get the operator's information like your location, like the signal strength. So the Cloud SIM server will select a suitable SIM card of your location, then send it to the Cloud SIM module. Okay. If you have any other questions, please write on the chat box so that we can see and answer you now. Okay, the Cloud SIM has the EU coverage. Yes, we have so many different packages of our Cloud SIM. If you want to make sure on your country or on your region support the Cloud SIM, you can contact our sales teams to make it clear. Okay, next question. How is the connection mechanism for radio moving from an operator to another, or how to achieve the roaming features? Actually, when you are on moving, the Cloud SIM module will always detect the signal strength of the network. It has when the signal strength weak to some levels, it will access to the Cloud SIM server, then change to another SIM card. It's not roaming. It's just change on the Cloud SIM module. It change another SIM card to ensure your network on your location. Okay, next question. How many coins required for Cloud SIM service? It depends on your countries or regions. Different Cloud SIM packages have different price. You can contact our sales teams to get the price. Okay, next question. Describe airtime service providers in the USA used by Kirisun and provide more detail about the carrier provider selection. Um, sorry. About this question, you can contact your technical support of our Kirisun FAE. What should we do if we got poor connection even with cloud SIM? About this question, if the cloud SIM cannot get the best signal connection, it's hard to say how to say. Even you use the physical SIM card, you will not get the better signal because cloud SIM will select the best signal strength SIM card to apply it on your location. Okay, now all the questions we have answered. So if you have any other questions after this webinar and maybe when you review the video, the presentation after this webinar, you can contact our sales or technical teams. And just a reminder, please remember to join our next webinar, DMR Tier 3 trunking solution, which will be held on September 8th. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you listening.